If I were Robin and I was running Robtronic Media, these are the exact changes I would make to the hero section of a landing page so that I could actually start turning more of my site visitors into booked calls on my calendar and ultimately get more deals through the door. Okay, let's take a look at it. Right now, this is what Robin has for a website. Okay, it is okay, but it isn't as optimized as it could be. It's not getting the number of conversions it should be. I can definitely say that. Okay, so the reason being is the hero section does not contain the content that it should. It does not provide enough evidence to back up Robin's claim, and it does not provide enough social proof. Okay, the only thing we have currently is the case study. So, as you can see on the right hand side, here is a redesign. Okay, this is more visually pleasing to look at. It follows a better visual hierarchy and also then contains more social proof. And as we know, social proof is one of the biggest drivers of conversions because it actually gets people to trust you. Okay, so I always say you need to be showing off your social proof as soon as you possibly can on your website. Okay, so as you can see here, we have the heading, we have subtext with a book a call button. Okay, the better thing about this one is that it is more visually pleasing. Okay, everything or the heading is just on 2 lines. However, with Robin's current site, it's on 3. Okay, whereas there's only one word on this third line. So it's a very simple thing to do, but it makes a big difference. Okay, we wouldn't want it like this. It just does not look good. We would rather have it like this. It's easier to read. Okay, and then have the subtext and the book a call button. Next, underneath that, Robin, you're going to need some social proof. And a great piece to have is going to be your logos, your client logos. Okay. Who have you worked with? Who can you show off on your landing page so that the ideal prospect, your ideal prospect, can trust you? Okay. So it makes perfect sense for you to have a list of your previous client logos, your greatest success stories, and feature them just underneath your big bold claim. It makes perfect sense. Big bold claim, here's the proof. Okay. Right now, you currently don't have this. So it's something that I would definitely recommend you implement. Underneath that, if that isn't good enough, then we have a VSL, so a virtual sales letter. This can be 5 to 10 minutes long, and it's going to be a breakdown of your offer, your results, and what you can do for the next ideal client profile. Okay, your next prospect. What can you do for them? So, as I said, a 5 to 10 minute breakdown, you on camera talking through your offer and the results you bring and what you can do. Okay, this is such a great element to have on your landing page. It builds the ultimate social proof and gets people to trust you even more than your client logos. Okay, definitely worth including. And then underneath that, we can just have a few benefits. Why should somebody work with you? Okay, you probably aren't the only one that scales ecom stores with Google Ads. So perhaps it makes a good idea to then show off some benefits. Why should somebody choose Robin at Robtronic Media as opposed to someone else, a different company? Okay, what are the main benefits that the client will get if they choose to be with you instead? Underneath that, you can then start diving into your testimonials and your case studies together, which would then make sense for you to have this section that you have here. Okay, so this is a more optimized layout, a better visual hierarchy, and not only that, it just generally looks more professional than what you currently have, Robin. Okay, so if you are looking to convert more leads, get more site visitors to book calls with you, and ultimately close more deals on the back end of that, I would highly suggest you revamp your website, restructure the layout, restructure the content, and I guarantee you will close more deals.